Okay, today we are going to be doing glute work on all fours and then flipping over and doing the typical bridging, in addition to inner thigh focused, which are inner thigh leg lifts. So get ready for those because those are challenging. And then we'll do some back work, okay? So back work means like tummy time, super person, Superman, however you want to call it. Really, really important for core stability and posture and just keeping everything balanced. In addition to, and we'll just polish it off, with some lower leg lifts, and no curling up necessary in this video, okay? So here we go. I'm on my mat and I'm gonna be on all fours. Now again, if you wanna make a fist here to go on all fours, if your wrists hurt with that, you can press, you don't have to press your palms, but whatever you think is better for you. You can also come down the forearms, which is more core, just so you know, okay? Anyway, on all fours here. And first what we're gonna do is just shake out your hips here and just do a little cat-cow. So it's always inhale, reach up, look out. Exhale, pull your stomach in, look through. And you can also lean forward just an inch or two, and exhale, scoop up, lean back. Breathe in and breathe out. Two more, breathing in and breathing out. Now, you know I like to cook, so this next thing is called stir the pot. Again, reduce the range of motion if the knees hurt at all. It should feel good. If not, just stay with the cat-cows, okay? But it looks like this. You're on all fours, and you're gonna 5 times. You're gonna circle your hips to the left, 5. Breathe in, breathe out, 4, 3, 2, and last 1, and then just reverse the circle. Go to the right, 1, breathing in and out, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're just gonna thread the needle before we begin. That means you're on all fours. You're gonna take one arm up, okay? And you're gonna thread it all the way through. Try to get your head on the mat 5 times. Thread it through. Breathe in, look at the hand. Hug it in, thread through. And 3 more, breathe in, breathe out. And 2, then we're gonna hold it down. So it's lift up, oh, losing my hat here. Hold it down and reach the other arm out and just shake out your hips a little bit. Should feel really, really good. Press it down, lift it up. Whoops, officially losing my hat. And we'll try the other side. So, on all fours, thread the needle up, hug it and reach through, head on the mat, breathe in, breathe out, 4, breathe in, breathe out, 3, again, breathe in, breathe out, 2, and last one, inhale, exhale, hug it in, get your head all the way down, and walk that hand out, shake out your hips side to side. Big breath. Excellent. Okay, so get ready. This is single leg lifts behind you, on all fours, okay? So you're here, and we're gonna start off with this right leg. I'm gonna bend the knee, and I'm gonna curl my toes and then pump it up. We're gonna do 10 of each, okay? So we're gonna do 10 of these, 10 of these, lower the leg down, lift 10, and then dog at the hydrant for 10. So that's 4 exercises on the same leg. Just wanna give you a little heads up, okay? All right, here we go. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex the foot. You're going to straighten and bend. 9 more there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Pull your stomach in if you can. 2. And last 1, and then you're going to lower the leg down, lift up, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then dog at the hydrant or rotation through the hips, so knee lifts for 10. 9. Now look over your shoulder, look at the knee. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Excellent job. We're going to try the other side. So now you know what's coming. It's 4 exercises on that other leg. So my hands are down, or your fists, or you can come down to the forearms if that's too much. And you're going to raise that left leg up, curl the toes, and then pump it there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up, flex the foot, straighten and bend 10, 9, inhale, exhale 8, 7, you're doing great, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, hold it up, lower it down, the big toe touches, lift up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more, just 4, and then we're going to do dog at the hydrant, 3 and 2, and last one, bring it in, knee to knee, you're going to rotate that hip for 10, 9, 8, 7, great job, 6, 5, looking over the shoulder, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Let's take a child's pose. If you can, in child's pose, tense your fingers. You don't have to come all the way back down to the heels, but just do what you can. But tenting the fingers on the mat, pressing them down, almost like you're doing like a handstand on your fingertips, is really going to release tension in the neck and the shoulders. And sometimes that's the challenging exercises that you just did. Sometimes these muscles trigger to kind of help you with that, okay? So just so you know. Now, let's sit up nice and tall, and we're going to do spine twist. I can face this way if you'd like. Whoops. So it's 1, 2, 3 times each to the left, and 1, 2, 3 to the right. That's called spine twist, okay? So you're just trying to release the mid-back or the rotational muscles before we do our bridging. One more time. It's 1, 2, 3. This is called spine twist in the Pilates world. Excellent. Now we are going to do our bridge, which is on your homework. Everyone should do bridge like every single day, okay? So we're going to lie down, bend the knees, feet flat on the mat, hip distance, and arms are straight. So if my fingertips touch, if your fingertips touch the heels, my arms are long, that's the goal, okay? But if you can't bend the knees like all the way in like that, don't worry, just do the best you can. So hip roll is what Pilates people call a shoulder bridge. So the bridge, right, is the destination. But the way you get there in the Pilates world, or Pilates asks us to roll through the hips and articulate the spine. So you exhale to do that. So inhale, stay. Exhale, draw the abdominals in, belly button to spine, rolling the hips up to the ribs. Then you're going to peel the tailbone all the way up with the breath in, holding it. And then softly you exhale, roll back down. So you're softening at the sternum and you're pulling your stomach in as hard as you can, rounding back. And one vertebra at a time are placing on the mat. In Pilates school, they used to say almost like a strand of pearls you're putting on the tabletop, whatever. So inhale, stay. Exhale, imprint, peel the tailbone all the way up to the high bridge. Breathe in, and then softly roll back down. And just one more time, even closing your eyes, this should feel as good as like a cat stretch once you get used to it. Inhale, stay. And exhale, hips to ribs, draw the abdominals in without squeezing your bum first, and then you peel into the heels and lift your bum up using the glutes. So you peel the tailbone up, you hold it, and you can even raise your arms over the chest to accentuate that relaxing of the shoulders, like shoulders relax, hugging in, rolling back down. Now let's add on, we're gonna roll through the hips, lift up again, and you're gonna lift your heels up and down for 10. You ready? Right, here we go. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold your heels up. Get ready. 3 rounds of 10 little pulses with your heels up. You're on the balls of the feet. Your heels are up. Your toes are up. And you're just going to drop an inch and lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Squeeze. 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Round 2, sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Heels are up. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Toes down, heels down, arms up. Inhale. Whew. Exhale, softly roll back down, 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 and hug knees to chest. Okay, so that's enough for today. We're going to do supine twist. Lengthen one leg. Right knee comes into the chest. I'm going to bring the right knee to the left, reach to the right for supine twist. And other way. Left knee in, bring it across to the right and reach left. Okay, so just gently stretching the mid-back in between all of these exercises. Good, hug knees to chest, sit up nice and tall. And I'm just gonna give you a fair warning. We're gonna do our inner thigh leg lifts. This is challenging. It's super targeted, it's a small range of motion. What you do is just lie down, you're gonna bring the top leg and bend it and hold on with your hands. And all you do is you're just gonna lift that bottom leg up the best you can, okay? So we're gonna do 2 rounds of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna hold it after 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Activate those inner thighs. Let it go. Good, we'll try the other side. So, lying on your side, and then bending the top knee up and over, holding on behind the leg, and lift up that bottom leg, straight leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Then we're going to take a little break for spinal rotation. This is everyone's favorite. Once you really get into Pilates and you're learning about movement patterns, you're probably going to start doing this every day when you wake up before your feet touch the floor. So you're bending the knees and arms to chest. Arms are in front of the chest. And you're going to bring the top arm up. Look at the hand and follow the gaze and reach all the way back. And then bring it up to the ceiling and back together in the middle. So it's inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale. Inhale, reach up. And let it go. And one more time, spinal rotation, reaching back and breathing. And up and back together again. Beautiful. And we'll try the other side. Totally losing my baseball hat today, but life is good. And you know, if you know me, you know I'm a big cyclist. So I feel like this is really repping my brand. Anyways, knees to chest, arms out. Almost like a seal, clapping those arms for spinal rotation. Inhale up. Exhale, reach back, follow the gaze. Inhale up to the ceiling and close and breathe in. Breathe out. Look at the hand as best you can. Okay, really good for the neck. Up and over. And just so you know, one side is usually tighter than the other on everybody. Don't worry about that. Spinal rotation. Go up and over. And that exercise is dedicated to my old client, Marilyn. She's so funny. I used to teach her math class forever, like Monday nights at 6:30, for like 2 or 3 years. And Marilyn was like, Moira, this is my favorite exercise. I was like, yeah, I bet it is. That's like the best feel-good exercise, spinal rotation. So we're just gonna end with leg drops, okay? So all that means is that you lie down, you raise up those legs, no curling up today. You're just gonna alternate legs to the floor with an exhale. And up, okay? So this is 10. Breathe in, breathe out, 9. 8, 7, 6, 5. You're exhaling as you lower. 4, and 3, and 2. Gripping your core together. Now, actually, I am going to throw in lateral scissors. I think we did that last time, but it's open in a big V and crisscross. So lateral scissors is a really nice way to, again, to accentuate inner thigh work without like overdoing it, without going to like, you know, the big inner thigh machine at the gym or whatever. Okay, so it's just using your body weight, but it's very effective. Let's try 10 more. Lateral scissors. 9, 8, 7, 6, no curling up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Good job. Hug knees to chest, and we'll sit up nice and tall, and we'll just take a forward fold to end our little mini workout today. Inhale, sit up straight, and exhale. Drop the head, relax the shoulders, pull your stomach in, and slide the fingertips down to the ankles, the shins, the toes, whatever you got. Inhale, stay. And exhale, softly pull your stomach in, roll through the spine, lift up, look up. One more time, exhale, drop your head, relax the shoulders, squeeze the stomach in, forward fold, touch the toes, the ankles, the shins, inhale. And exhale, scoop up, sit up nice and tall. One more time because it feels so good. Drop your head, relax the shoulders, reach forward and down. And exhale, sit up nice and straight. You can always look over one shoulder like this and the other shoulder before you continue on with your day. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in, and give me a call if you have any questions. Would love to connect. I love Pilates. I love TRX. I love targeted, customized conditioning. So let me know if you need any more help. Thanks.